everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another DIY for you. It's a pound shop dollar store DIY, and this one is a key hook. It's also great for putting sunglasses on or headphones or your work fob or anything that you're going to need for day-to-day things, I guess. So a great one to hang by the door. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe, and if at the end of the video you found it useful or it has inspired you in any way, give it a thumbs up. And if you have a go at this DIY yourself, I would love to see how you got on, so please tag me in your pictures. All of my social media links are below. For the storage hooks you will need this Slate placemat, some garden rope, some hard as nails glue, and these metal garden tool hooks. The first thing I'm going to do is remove all of the packaging and figure out how many of these hooks I'm going to need. I think I'm just going to use 3 down the middle, and then with some sellotape I'm just going to mask off all around the edges, just leaving the exposed edge here, which I'm going to spray using some craft enamel spray paint. I'm just going to stick a piece of card into the middle just to protect that as well, so that no paint gets over that bit. So now we can take all of this outside and give it a coat of the paint. So the paint's dried. As you can see, it's got this really nice edge to it now. And then we just need to glue these into position. I'm just using a ruler to find the center, and then I'm going to line up the others with that. And with the garden twine, I'm just going to cut a section to add a loop onto the back so that we can hang it up if we want to. And I'm just attaching that using some hot glue. And there you have it.